So a random cat approaches me. I give him a pat, and we're now close friends. Isn't that right? You're stinky though, but I can't stop patting you because you like what you're. Ay ay ay! You like what you're having, and I can't stop patting you. My hands are getting. You're dirty. You're very dirty. Now, I have places to go. I should be going to the work. And you're here. So please go. I don't own you. You're not going? Are you gonna stay there forever? We're gonna get places. Come on. Go. I'm not your new master. No. Okay, clean yourself somewhere else. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm gonna slowly push you away. No, don't do that. No. Ugh. Alright, you can go now. Move your butt on me.